In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 over and over again. Now, the good thing about this is that you can make this $10 and it can add up pretty quickly. It can turn into 50, it can turn into 100, and even up to $1,000. So I'm going to show you how you can make this type of money, and by putting this cash into your pocket where it can be either residual, or if you want to get people to sign up for this brand new website that I'm going to share with you. All right. So we're going to get started. I'm not going to take up too much of your time on this video, but make sure if you haven't liked, subscribe to my YouTube channel yet. I create new videos, and every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So make sure you just tap on that bell notification and make sure that every time I put something out there, you're going to be the first one to know. So if you like to learn how I make money over and over again, you can check out the first link in the description. I'll send you over my #1 recommendation of starting to earn money online right away. So go check out that link immediately. So the website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called blockfee.com. So blockfee.com is a pretty cool website where you can earn, you can borrow cash, and you can also sell cryptocurrency on here. So they have no hidden fees, no minimum balance, and no waiting. So it's kind of like a trading platform. It's going to trade crypto for you. And over the space of, they say APY, maybe averaging per year, you'll get anywhere from like 8.6% and more on your return. So it's a pretty decent website. You can earn money right down here by just earn up to 8.6, and you're gonna get daily and you're gonna get paid monthly. So you can just open an account. Once you open the account and you put some money in it, you can start making money. But that's not what I'm gonna share with you on this video. I'm not telling you that you need to invest some money into this, especially if you have no money. So this video is for people who have little to no money at all. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom down here. You see where it says spend credit and earn Bitcoin. You could join the waiting list, and when you join that waiting list, you can earn some cash rewards by doing some simple little tasks and make money. Now that's not what we're going to be doing. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom down here, and you will see where it says services. Right here on services, you're going to click on where it says refer a friend. And once you refer a friend, you're going to be earning money each time they deposit $100 or they use your referral code, and you're going to make $10 in BTC. That's $10 in Bitcoin, and that $10 can add up pretty quickly. As I said, you can make $100, you can make $200, $300, or even $1,000 if you do this correctly. So stay with me and keep watching this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to share with you how you could go out there and you could promote this on one of the hottest platforms right now that are attracting a lot of traffic and a lot of people. So if you want to open up this account, all you have to do is just click on this. Once you click on this tab, right, open an account, immediately it's going to ask you to, do you want to use the app, or do you want to use the browser? I'm going to go with browser, so I'll click on the browser tab. Once you click on here, you'll see the sign up area. Make sure you put your legal first name, your last name, put a correct email address, create a password, and a referral code will be optional. Of course, you have to be 18 years and older in order for you to be a part of this. If not, I'm sorry, you're going to have to wait until you're 18 before they accept you into this particular platform. Now, once you click on this, they will send you an SMS policy where they're going to make sure that the number that you put in is correct and it's not false, and make sure that your name is correct. Once you do that, you click on here and it's going to say human. If you use a Gmail account, you will see it come straight to your Gmail or whatever email address do you have, and all you have to do is verify it. Once you verify it, you're going to be in there and you're going to get your referral code. So you're going to get your referral code in the back office of blockfee.com, because blockfee.com is going to give you all the login information and credential. Okay? So once you do that, you're going to grab your affiliate link. And here's also another way how you can even earn a little bit of money as well, just by doing some additional referrals. And once you refer, you can consistently, as I said, earn $10, and you can even earn up to $20 in BTC, and you can use it to do other things, reinvest it, or do the things that you want to do. Now, once you do that, now the next thing that we're going to be doing, we're going to head on over to reddit.com. And over reddit.com, if you know by now, if you heard about Dogecoin and all the cryptocurrencies right now, Reddit is one of the hottest platforms that you can start, and they have a very large crypto community as well. Once you go on, look at this. This is like Bitflyer, earn up to 25, 15 from them and $10 from me. So this person right here is basically just giving you all the information that you can use to get started in this form of cryptocurrency, because he's referring someone, and this promotion is only available in the US. So people are already making comments and different things. So if you want to join these platforms, all you have to do is just click on join. This has been created in 2014. Just click on where it says join. And once you join, all you have to do is just read the rules. Once you read the rules, you can start posting in here. Don't just be going in here and just spam your links here and there, because once you do that, it's not going to be good. So you could type in crypto, and if you type in cryptocurrencies, you'll see this group right here. They have over 2.6 million people, and this was formed in 2013. So it's all about discussions. It's all about monthly skeptics and all that. So if I click on join, successfully join, now I can create a post, and the post what I would create, it would be a post like this: earn $10 BTC. All right, I would say this is a cool way to earn free BTC. So I would really write out something good on this. Once I write something good, then I'll just post it by clicking on here. And once you post it, ensure that you insert your affiliate link on here as well, because you can put your affiliate link right there. So you could click where it says click here. You could highlight it. Once you highlight it, where you see that link, pop that link, and then you could put your referral code in here, and then you hit insert. Once you hit on the insert and then you post it, what will happen, you will find people start reading the article, and you don't have to write a long-winded information about this particular thing, but you can write something short and sweet, right? And if you don't have all the information, you can go to ezine.articles, and you can find free content over there, and you could just find it, bring it over, copy everything, post it in there, and just post it. If you want to add a picture, if you want to add a video, you want to put your link, you want to do a poll, I think poll will even work amazingly well as well, because once you put poll, people always vote, and it will keep it engaged, and it will keep it going up. So you can put your affiliate link in there. So that's all you have to do. Is step number one, you're gonna go straight over to blackfee.com. Once you go to blackfee.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're gonna do a refer a friend, sign up for their affiliate program, and then you're gonna go over to Reddit, find a lot of cryptocurrency group, and start advertising in there. As I said, don't go in there and just spam your links here or there, because if you do that, then that's not going to be any good for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make a quick little video for you so you can see how you can earn $10 over and over again with this brand new website that is called blockfi.com, and you can connect it with Reddit. Make sure you check out my #1 recommendation of how I make money in the first description. And if you want to go see this one about earn money and get paid $150 for free, go check out that video right now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.